So this project doesn't require a lot of materials. You just need a piece of scrap, 3/4 inch wood, 2 of the templates, which you can download in the description, and 2 of these T-nut things. They're not really T's, but like when you hit them, then it creates a bolt, so like a bolt can go through. I'm not really sure what they're called. And now I have chucked up a 1/2 inch Forstner bit, and I'm going to be drilling all the way through. And you want to put the drill bit, center it with the lines where they intersect on all the outside areas. So now what I'm going to do is cut along the outside of the circle. And now I'm going to sand these up a little and kind of round over all the edges so they're more circular. Now that I have the knobs sanded and everything, you can take these things and put them in the center and drill a hole straight down just a little bit so that this fits in snug. So now I'm going to take the bolt, slip it into the hole, and just use a mallet to get it in there. And that should be pretty much done. So that is pretty much it to making the wooden knobs. I just built them for my drill press table actually because I didn't like the wing nuts I had on them. And this is pretty much the simplest design you can make. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Woodworking Nut for more videos every Tuesday. If you want to see how to build this drill press table, then you can click the thing right here. I'll see you guys next Tuesday.